How to delete switch account on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Now, it is really important to know that if you see the switch account option on your Facebook, then it probably is because you have a lot of accounts signed in to your Facebook application. So if you want to delete the switch account option, then open Facebook and tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the log out option you see there. In the confirmation that appears, tap on log out again, and now in the interface that you would be led to, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the remove profiles from this device option. Now, you will then be shown with all the profiles that has been signed in with this particular Facebook application on your device. So simply tap on the remove account option you see there from all the accounts that you do not want to be signed into, and once removed, confirm the removal process by simply tapping on the remove option you see there. And once you have removed all the account except for one account, you will not see the switch account option anymore. So this is how you can delete switch account on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.